Today, we go inside one of the most secure manufacturing environments in the United States, creating the currency production floor. Every person or machine entering here must be authenticated.
This specialized paper is built to endure folds, friction, and decades of usage.
A thin polymer strip is embedded within the sheet, carrying hidden identifiers. These microscopic patterns are nearly impossible to replicate accurately.
This method creates the tactile texture you feel on every real note.
The machine is calibrated and ready to begin.
Certain inks transform under different light angles, adding another layer of verification. Every bill receives a unique numerical identity.
Each serial number is digitally archived, linking note to time and location of print.
Notes are compression tested to withstand real-world handling.
Humidity and temperature are carefully balanced to preserve ink integrity.
Okay, let's see what we've got here.
Sheets are cut into individual notes with sub-millimeter accuracy.
Multiple light frequencies are used to authenticate each layer of security.
Automation reduces contamination risks and increases reliability.
Each bundle receives its own tracking identifier.
Only authorized robotic units can physically move finished currency.
Inside the vault, constant surveillance and strict spacing standards protect stored currency.
Okay, I've identified the batch. The integrity is stable. Each container undergoes a final automated authentication scan.
This facility represents a combination of precision engineering and national trust.
Details smaller than a grain of sand help prevent counterfeiting.
From blank security paper to authenticated legal currency, each step ensures integrity.
And that is how the United States produces trusted banknotes, through precision, discipline, and layered security.